Here's how to unsuspend your Twitter or the X account without filing an appeal. First, open a web browser like Google Chrome, then search for Twitter Help in a new tab. Now search Twitter Help Center from the search results. Search for locked account on the Help Center page. Tap on Help with locked or limited account. Now once you're in this page, tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then select Log Out or Sign Out, and you'll be taken to a login portal where you need to enter your phone number, email, or username associated with your account and enter your password and press enter. Then click on Yes to reactivate and you'll be logged back into your account and you can use Twitter or X as usual. But in the case if you want to appeal for it, you can go ahead, tap on Appeal a locked or suspended account, then tap on Log into your account. This will again take you to another login portal where you can go ahead and sign into your specific account as you want. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.